Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the updated process of sending your Instagram highlights to a group. Whether you want to share your memorable moments or important updates, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do just that. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Next, look for your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it to navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll down just a bit. Under your bio, you'll see a section labeled Highlights. This is where all your saved stories are displayed. Find the highlight you wish to share. Now, here's where it gets interactive. Click and hold on the highlight you want to send. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Send To. This will open up your list of friends and groups on Instagram. Now, it's time to choose the group you want to share your highlight with. Simply tap on the group's name from the list. If you'd like, you can also write a message to accompany your highlight. This is a great way to add context or express why you're sharing this moment. Finally, once you've selected the group and added any message if desired, just tap Send. And there you have it. Your highlight is now shared with a group, allowing them to experience those special moments with you. Remember, sharing highlights is a fantastic way to keep your friends updated and engaged with what's happening in your life. It's simple and quick, making it an effective tool for communication on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Instagram and other social media platforms. Happy sharing!